This is an authorized police department. Come out with your hands up.
It's what police officers call a valuable asset.
It's just really changed some of the ways we can go after suspects.
As the government persists with a zero COVID strategy.
Hi Stan, yes, 25 million residents have been in lockdown on and off for weeks. Cases are on the rise and now residents are saying they're starting to run out of food. Some have reportedly taken to their balconies to protest. Which prompted this extraordinary scene shared on Weibo of a drone delivering a message to protesters.
Three years ago, Customs and Border Protection, they placed an order for self-flying aircraft that could launch on their own, rendezvous, locate, monitor multiple targets on the ground without any human intervention. Totally autonomous.
Police will be watching from above as the crackdown on public gatherings becomes even tougher tonight. Drones are being deployed in Perth as more activities are banned.
They're the eyes and voices in the sky.
Social distancing is critical.
Like something out of a science fiction movie, but this is our new reality. Police drones breaking up groups of more than two.
These drones will be used at parks and other places where people congregate and people are not adhering to the social distancing rules.
From midnight tonight, unless you're from the same household, only two people can be together in public, both indoors and outdoors. The drone fleet is another weapon to protect frontline police and us from exposure to COVID-19.
Thank you. Your actions are saving lives.
Outside the city, there'll be restrictions on regional travel from tomorrow night. And a warning, our state borders could be completely closed by this weekend.
There is a clear message to any interstater thinking about coming to Western Australia. Don't come. We don't want you here.
Military drones are increasingly used in special operations. They allow reconnaissance from the air and, thanks to their small size, sneak unnoticed deep into enemy formations. There are also drones that can not only carry out reconnaissance and surveillance, but also fire.